How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Microsoft Authenticator app on your Android. So let's get started. So first of all, what you have to do is load up your Microsoft account right here. And after that, you have to press on security. And in the security, you have to press on manage how I sign in. And after that, you gotta scroll down till you find two-step verification, and you have to press on turn on. And after that, you have to press on next. And then it's gonna ask you, how do you wanna verify your identity? And you can simply press on with an app and press on get it done. And after that, it's gonna ask you to download the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. So we're gonna download the app and then press on next. So after that, on your phone, you have to download the app just like that, and then press on open. Accept and continue by scanning a QR code. So we're gonna press on it, and then we're gonna scan the code that we have here. After that, we're gonna get back to the PC and press on done right here. And from setting down here, you're gonna press on turn on. If it's not turned on already, you're gonna scroll down and press on turn on. Then press on next, and then you press on next. Then you're gonna press on finish. So yeah, this is how you do it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Cheers.